chat about chat AI? I hear this topic all the time, right? I mean, this is kind of like chat AI is coming to take your job. So let's ask Brody Schroeder, is chat AI coming to take your job? Is that BS?
It's not completely BS. ChatGPT is amazing. Obviously, it's going to change a lot of things. However, people are doing this fear mongering now where everybody's going to get out of a job in 3 days and it's going to be over.
And to be clear, we're talking content creators, right?
I think writing content is interesting for it to do its job well. It's keep in mind just a language model. So what Chat GPT actually is it's just predicting the next best word when it generates a response to you. There's no like actual thought that goes into it. It's just like it has a really good dialed in algorithm that produces really good outputs, but all it's doing in the back end is just predicting the next best word. So for it to work well and get to write the content that you want, you have to engineer the prompt in a way that, like, if you just say, hey, write me a blog post about X, it's not going to be that useful, right? So you have to engineer the prompt in a certain way. So I think that's interesting. I think a lot of the content creators and things like that, they'll use chat AI to assist them in their content needs, but there's not going to totally replace them because they still have that human knowledge experience of who their ICP is, the type of content that's going to resonate with the people that buy from them. And that'll all go into how they engineer those prompts. So that's a big factor. Also, like I said, coming up with industry unique prompts and things like that, that's a big factor of how those responses are generated. And that's not something it's going to know off the bat.
I have a question, follow up. Chat GPT or Jasper?
So actually, they're technically the same thing, to be honest, because Jasper actually, their API is built on ChatGPT. Going back to the prompt aspect of this, Jasper is really good to help you engineer the prompts in a correct way, get you good output. So I'd say for marketers, Jasper.
What's the price difference?
They're pretty much the same, aren't they?
No, ChatGPT is free. Play for Pro is like $20. Jasper is like 119 or something like that.
Jasper's 119.
But the thing is with Jasper is they're building out their platform more to have like workflows and things like that. So that's going to be super useful for marketers. So you can have it, hey, first do this, generate the blog topic ideas, then generate the outline, then generate the content. To do that in ChatGPT, you'd have to have it's all chat based, right? So you have different chats, so it gets kind of confusing. Organize information, but also Jasper has this feature where it ties into Surfer SEO, which is a good SEO content optimization tool. So you can tie those two things together. They have a direct integration, so you can then generate content that is actually going to rank organically for SEO. Whereas if you just use ChatGPT, you won't have that. You have to take that content, post it somewhere else, optimize it further. You can do all that within Jasper. So there's definitely some advantages to Jasper right now versus ChatGPT, but the backend algorithm is the same. I think there's a lot of benefits to it, but I don't think it's immediately going to replace everybody's jobs tomorrow.
I did have it write a kickball rap for me, and that was really good.
I think songs though are bad. Like I've tried it with some different song lyrics, and it's like it's not good. Like I can't get it to like lock in. It's like not. Maybe rap. I don't know. Like just send me your prompts for a kickball rap. That's all I want to see.
I actually rapped it too. So.